some connectivity problem was there.
Ma'am.
Don't worry about this, isn't it? So this was the first war of independence, you can say, where every part of our India, you can say, rulers, common people, educated Indian, peasants, artisans, soldiers, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, everyone, they got together to fight against the British domination. Let's start. The event was also called the uprising, the revolt of 1857, or you can say the Sipai mutiny by the British. First of all, the Britishers said this revolt as a Sipai mutiny because it was started from the Meerut cantonment, isn't it? तो इससे ज्यादा वे तो सोच नहीं पाए थे स्टार्टिंग में. उन्होंने सोचा कि ये तो एक सिपाहियों के द्वारा विद्रोह है, मगर आगे जाकर के उन्होंने जो बहुत सारी चीजों को देखा और आगे बहुत ही ऐसा सिचुएशन आया था कि कंपनी रूल को ही बंद करना पड़ा. ठीक है, ये सब हमारे इसके रिजल्ट में आएंगे. What was the result of 1857 revolt? Though the revolt was crushed, though the revolt was ended brutally, it was ended by the British East India Company, then also it has a very great result on Indian history. Let's see. But Indian historians call it the first war of independence, isn't it? The Indian historians जो है ये आप देखते रहोगे कि हमारे कोई भी इतिहास में जब आप आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे तो कई इतिहासकार होते हैं. सब इतिहासकारों की अपनी अपनी मत होती है. तो उस समय के कुछ भारतीय इतिहासकारों ने ये कहा था कि 1857 का विद्रोह जो है वो पहला स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का विद्रोह रहा. द फर्स्ट वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. And it was the first time that different sections of the Indian society united and fought as a nation to throw off the shackles of foreign domination, isn't it? तो ये जो फॉरेन डोमिनेशन को हटाने के लिए जो वार किया गया था, ये फर्स्ट था जिसमें ये पहला बार ऐसा देखा गया था कि क्या किसान, क्या श्रमिक, क्या कारीगर, क्या सोल्जर्स, रूलर्स, कॉमन पीपल, एजुकेटेड इंडियंस, everyone, they got together, and of different caste and creed also, different religion also, isn't it? Such things are there. Even since the British had to set foot on the Indian soil, the nation was losing its wealth and independence. What you have seen, but the first time when British set foot on the Indian soil, what happened? The nation was losing its wealth. We were losing our raw material, and first we have lost our raw materials, our you can say.
हमें क्या है पापा, कैमरा ऑन करके अपना हम मेरा कैमरा ऑन करके अपना मेरा फोटो दिखा रही है.
कौन बोल रहा है? Please, no such disturbance should be there. So you can say India not only lose its wealth but also its independence. हमारे देश ना तो केवल अपना समृद्धि और वेल्थ खोया था, बल्कि हमने अपना इंडिपेंडेंस भी खो दिया धीरे धीरे. The aim of the British was to exploit the resources of our country. First of all, their aim was to exploit the resources of the country, but eventually that also took up the Indian political scene. From 1757 onwards, they won almost every battle against the Indian ruler and kept on expanding the areas under their control. Now the time has came. Have you seen one by one, Britishers had started capturing the areas? Can you tell me one such conflict or war?
बैटल ऑफ बक्सर के बाद उन लोग को ये राइट मिल गया.
हाँ, बैटल ऑफ बक्सर, then dual government in Bengal, then
एंग्लो मैसूर, एंग्लो मराठा एंड एंग्लो सिख वॉर के बाद में उन सब जगहों को भी कैप्चर कर लिया गया.
हाँ, एंग्लो मराठा वार, एंग्लो सिख वार was there. So what are this now? Arya is listening. Ashish Arya, hello. Ashish Arya is listening. हाँ, now you got it that why this all revolt have been occurred before 1857. I said you to make a chart and remember it, what was the result and where it took place and in which year and who were there in its revolt. Karnataka war, Battle of Palasi, Battle of Buxar was there, dual government in Bengal. All these were things that slowly Britishers were trying to capturing the Indian territories, isn't it? So all this, we have already studied battle. These all were the against the Indian. Now, the Indian rulers had kept on expanding the areas under their control. Now they sent Indian wealth back home to England. Why they captured those area of India's? Because that will be because our central authority was itself is a very weak, and almost the other areas from where the British East India Company created so many such relations with the common local rulers and the local people to do their trade and to send back the India wealth to the England. और कौन कौन से चीजों को उन्होंने इंग्लैंड भेजा था आपको पता ही था, हमने कौन कौन से कैश क्रॉप्स भी ग्रो किए थे 1857 से पहले तो बहुत सारे कैश क्रॉप्स भी ग्रो होने लगे थे ट्रेड पर्पस से,
जैसे कि इंडिगो, ओपियम, शुगर केन,
1889 टू 1910 मैम, उस समय के बीच में इंडिगो को मैम इंडिया से इंग्लैंड बहुत ये लोग एक्सपोर्ट किया था।
ठीक है, ये सब तो था ही। तो इस तरह से दिस एंगर द
मैम पहले जब आया था ब्रिटिशर्स तब वो लोग अपना गोल्ड देता था और वो लोग से लेता था जो भी हम लोग इंडियन से सामान लेता था, लेकिन जब अपना रूल जमा लिया तब पैसा तो ले ही रहा है, ऊपर से रॉ मटेरियल्स भी ले रहा है।
हाँ, and so many even they have advised the Indian peasants and farmers to grow the cash crops like indigo. What was the cash crops? Indigo, cotton, tea, coffee, timber, rubber, sugar cane, cotton,
ओपियम,
पीपर, ये तो हमने पहले ही पढ़े हुए हैं ना, isn't it? याद रखें आप लोग। हेलो,
यस मैम।
तो ये सारे चीजें तो भारत से जा ही रहे थे इंग्लैंड के लिए। ऑल दिस एंगर्ड द इंडियंस एंड फाइनली 100 years later in 1857 a number of Indians revolted against the